In this Sprocket Talk video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can speed up your calling inside the HubSpot CRM. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, I'm your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative, coming back with yet another educational video. Look, in this video, we are going to show you how to create a call queue, actually multiple call queues, where you can do that from what you can do when you're in your HubSpot CRM task area and a ton more. Let's dive into the portal and let's get into this.
All right, now that we're in HubSpot, we're gonna look at a couple different ways that we can add calls to our call queue. The first one is if we come into contacts, we can select a couple different people that we're interested in having a conversation with, and under this more link here, we'll see that we can create tasks. When we do that, there's going to be a slide out that comes out and you're going to see to do, and under that we can do email or call. We're going to select call, and then we can figure out who we want to assign it to and when we want to assign it. So I may say tomorrow, and I may do something like 1:30 p.m. to sometime like that. We'll just do that. And then we can do this drop down. You're going to see that we have a best call queue that we can add to, or we could create a new call queue. And in this case, we call it even better call queue, and we hit save. And now notice we can select from best call queue or even better call queue. I'm going to set it to best call queue here, and then we're going to go ahead and hit create. Now we can come over to contacts and companies, and you'll see that you can select a couple different companies that you may be interested in, and then there's going to be this create task link here. Once you do that, you're going to see a very similar flyout. You're going to be able to hit call. You're going to be able to select the queue that you want, and you're going to be able to hit create. You can also do this from your deals as well. So contacts, companies, and deals, you can create a call queue. And then if you want to get into your call queue, you can simply go sales and then go to tasks, and you'll look for your tasks, and you'll see that the type is indicated here by the little phone icon. And what's cool is I could mark these complete, or I could check them like so, and I can edit, delete, or add to a different queue, mark them as complete, or even export these. So if I go ahead and not check it but just click into it, you're going to see that I get a flyout that comes here. Here I can hit this check mark and say it's complete as well. It'll show me what records it's associated with, and this is company. It'll show me the date, so if I wanted to change that to a different date or time. Also, if I wanted to get an email reminder or do custom date in here, and I can leave notes. And last but not least, call, queue that it's in, and who it is assigned to. And if I wanted to delete this task altogether out of the call queue, I can do that as well. Maybe they called me, maybe something else happened. In this case, I am just going to hit cancel. Now, a couple things to note once you're in your task area. You can select a couple of your tasks, and then you can add them to a queue as well. So here I can do a drop down and add to best call ever and add that. You're going to see on the left hand side here are my queues. And if I select a queue, you're going to see now I have these phone types right here, and I could literally hit start queue. Once that happens, it's going to go to the contact, and it's going to give me the ability to select the phone number that I want to call them on, and then down here I can select call from my phone or call from the browser. Now in the HubSpot settings, there is also some things to pay attention to for calling and queues. One, you have to enable your HubSpot calling, and two, you can enable in recording for your calls as well. Here's where you're going to see how many you've used this month, and here's where you're going to see the phone numbers that are available as well.
So there you go. You can speed up your calling. You can let people know the outcome. You can leave notes. There's a ton of things you can do, but make sure you're using call queues to speed up your process. Hey, did you like this video? Then make sure you check out the link below for our Sprocket Talk only list and get videos like this right in your inbox. Also, make sure you check out the private Facebook group where there's other HubSpot users trying to do this thing that we call mastering HubSpot. Also, make sure you hit the bells to like, subscribe so that we know that you're part of the community. And last but not least, make sure you check out the description below for those 1- and 2-day trainings, sales and marketing workshops at your location, because that's how much we love you. Hey, make sure you use the call queue. Make sure you're checking out all the things you can do in HubSpot. And as you do those things, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.